everybody, today I've got a 2016 Hyundai i10 and I'm going to do an engine start and sound for you. So on this model, it's got the multi-function steering wheel. I've got to dip the clutch, let's put the ignition on, fire her up, first time. This car's only done 20,813 miles. Let's give it a few revs for you. It's very smooth. Idle's very nice and steady. Rev's very nice. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you under the bonnet and just get you to have a listen. This is a 1 litre engine. Ticking over very nice and smooth. If you go to buy one of these, this is what your engine should sound like. Get a bit closer for you. Just a few revs for you there. Okay, now, so that's your washer bottle, your dipsticks down there, brake fluid is over there, radiator, and that is your battery. Got some fuses over there. Other than that, these are very reliable engines. They're fairly trouble-free. Okay, let's show you around the back. Right then, I suppose we better switch it off then. Thank you for watching and see you again soon.